At the heart of a lot of refugees' problems is that no one listens to them, or they don't understand, or they feel like they're not being heard. And I'm sure it's because there's a mistrust all the time. I mean, we could walk into that camp tomorrow and people go, "Wow, brilliant!" Or equally, we could walk in and there's be a total mistrust of what we're doing.
Well, the project is just amazing. We had lots of cooperation from the locals. They met it with actually a lot of warmth, and they were happy to come and jam with us. They taught us songs from different, different areas, Syria, Pakistan, Egypt, and so on.
We just started playing, just kind of randomly, really, and it attracted people. I just got tied into these Sudanese guys, and I was just on the bass drum vibe with them, and in the end, so I was like, great, that's it. Music, it brings people together, period, fact. Being in the middle of those guys, playing the drums and singing with them, but also seeing in their faces that, we're begging for something here. There's a smile on our faces and there's a rhythm under it, but we're begging for something here. You don't feel that from the TV or the newspaper. Yeah, I felt that today. Yeah, it's exhausting and it's sad, but it's the truth. It's the truth.
Most of these guys, they're skilled. They're dying to do stuff. We found singers, musicians, drummers, all sorts. And you have lawyers here, you have engineers, you have architects.
There's this sense of whatever we're in it together. Everyone here is making the best of it. It's an amazing thing, it's great, but it's terrible that it should have to be this way.
Most people, they still have pride, and they could have easily lost that and hope and be miserable with us when we came, but they didn't. On the contrary, every time we left a place, they all asked, "Are you coming back? When will we see you again?" So yes, we brought a little bit of hope. Cheers.